So we're inside the 2013 Jeep Wrangler, and we're installing the new unit. So this is the 6-speed manual transmission, and we're gonna transform it from this into this. Wow. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm really excited. I got a new stereo for the Jeep. It's a Seicane, and I got it from China, and it has the Android system. So let's walk to the kitchen, and I have the package there, and see what's inside the box. And here it is. So these are the cables, the harnesses. I'll just put this in there. Now, this one seems to be the top tray. We're gonna replace that. This is the dashboard. And here it is, the unit itself. So let's remove all these plastics. And I think there's an extra. Oh yeah, I ordered a backup camera. So I think this is it. Well, we'll have to figure that out soon. And there's something else in here. This seems like it's an adapter or an antenna. No, it's an antenna, a tiny antenna. Wow, look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna remove some of the plastics and show you in better detail. Can you see me well? So here it is. So it's the unit from the back with all the connection points, and from the front. So we're gonna have to put the air ducts over here, and here are the controls for the windows. My old unit is maybe this big. My gosh, this is gonna look so great. Can't wait to have it installed. This dashboard piece comes from the factory with this support. So this is plastic, and it's fragile, so it doesn't bend or break during the shipping. To remove it, I just used this oscillating tool. You can use a knife, maybe a sharp knife, or a Dremel. I have a Dremel tool, but I don't have the wheel cutting piece. I have some drill bits. I have some brushes to clean rust. I have some sandpaper wheels, but doesn't work over here. So I guess I'll have to order some of those. And now we're just removing the old radio. I just used this small ratchet, and I'll come back again once the radio. Now here goes the first harness. Click. Now this adapter here goes to the canvas. No, yeah, there it is. So this is a decoder, canvas decoder. This little device over here is what facilitates the talking between the Jeep and the new Seicane unit. I have installed the Wi-Fi antenna, and now another one, another harness. Well, I didn't hear the click, but it doesn't. But it looks like it's in there. And on this side, we're gonna connect the two USB ports. There's more here for the radio antenna, and we have also to connect the GPS antenna.
The GPS antenna's right here. Okay, I got that. This one is for the radio, no?
That is the mic.
It's the mic, okay.
So it's the mic, and because it has a short wire, I don't know. Most people, let me remove this out of the way. Most people, they put the mic over here on this space, so they'll have to run it through this post under here, inside the dash, onto the unit. But this one has such a short, not even a foot long wire, so I'm just gonna put it here near this one, the photo cell for the automatic lights at night. It should capture the voice anyways.
Okay, so this one right here.
So now we're gonna install the microphone. And this time I heard the click. So now the unit is not installed, we still have it outside, and the reason why is because we want to test it. We don't want to put everything back really, and then it's not working. So I'm gonna, here it is. Oh wow, it came on right away. Okay, so I finally installed the unit, and let's take a look. Let's go through some of the apps, and then you can also check other YouTube videos for a better installation and some more explanation. All videos are different, and you're gonna get different information from different people. So on this unit, there are several apps just to start. So you have the date, the radio frequency. I don't use this app over here for the navigation. Sometimes I use the radio music. For my iPhone music, I use this one, and so then I just press here the play button. Now to go back, I can go back here on the thing. This is for the GPS, so the GPS is that app, not the one that was before. That takes a little time to load. But it is really nice. There it is. So now I can go back home over here. Now you can go also to this where it says settings, and I'll show you. Settings, network and internet. So you can connect. So it's already connected to my phone. So you can go back home and look for the YouTube. So this is really nice. So here's my YouTube page with some of my videos. So you can just go and watch one. Oh, who's that guy? And welcome to my channel. Look at that. Me? Yeah, that's me. I am the guy that in the Philippines. Yeah. So you also have the Play Store. You can download more apps, Sirius XM, Spotify, Facebook, Netflix. Wow, you see. So pretty much the possibilities are endless. You have Google Maps, but I prefer just to use the regular GPS. And pretty much that's it. This video is getting too long for what I usually upload, and I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe sometime in the future when I'm talking about the Jeep, I will come back again and explain a little bit more as I also get more acquainted to it. Anyways, I think it was a good investment, and although the controls work with the steering wheel, so I can put the sound on, sound off, answer the phone, whatever. So pretty much everything works as the old unit, only better, I guess. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.